Have you ever wondered why some people seem to thrive in their 30s and 40s while others struggle? Could there be a secret to maintaining vitality and wellness during these crucial years? Today's conversation shines a light on wellness strategies that are key to thriving in your 30s and 40s. Consider the 30s and 40s as the prime years of life. This is the time when career, family, and personal development intersect. However, it's also a period when health can take a back seat. To ensure a life of vigor and vitality, it's crucial to focus on wellness strategies that encompass physical and mental health. Firstly, focus on nutrition. Eating a balanced diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and whole grains fuels the body for optimal performance. It's not about dieting or restriction, but about nourishing your body with what it needs to function at its best. Secondly, physical activity is of paramount importance. Regular exercise, be it walking, running, or yoga, can significantly improve cardiovascular health, boost mood, and reduce stress. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity activity most days of the week. Thirdly, mental wellness cannot be overlooked. Mindfulness practices such as meditation, deep breathing, and journaling can help manage stress and improve mental clarity. Remember, mental health is as important as physical health. Next, prioritize sleep. Quality sleep is not a luxury, it's a necessity. It helps the body repair, rejuvenate, and prepare for the next day. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Lastly, regular checkups. Preventive health care is crucial in early detection and management of potential health issues. Regular screenings and checkups can save lives. In conclusion, thriving in the 30s and 40s requires a holistic approach to wellness. It's about nourishing the body with a balanced diet, keeping active, tending to mental health, getting quality sleep, and prioritizing preventive health care. These wellness strategies set the foundation for a life of vitality and fulfillment. Remember, wellness is not a destination but a journey. It's about making choices every day that contribute to a healthier, happier life. It's never too late to start. So, make wellness a priority. Because you don't just want to live, you want to thrive.